Here's what happens to your body when you commit to doing 40 squats every day. When people picture a fit physique, they often think of intense gym routines filled with countless exercises and complex techniques designed by bodybuilders to test physical limits. But as the old saying goes, sometimes less truly is more. That's where squats prove their worth. Squatting isn't just a workout, it's a natural movement we use in everyday life. It's an exercise you can do anytime, anywhere without needing equipment or a gym. In this video, you'll discover 9 specific benefits that come from doing just 40 squats daily. These benefits go beyond just looks. They impact your health and lifestyle. Number 1. Stronger bones. Each time you squat, your body weight and the push against the ground create pressure that's absorbed by your bones, especially in your spine, hips, and legs. This force activates bone-building cells, increasing bone density and making them stronger. Bone density refers to how much mineral content your bones contain, and the higher it is, the tougher and more fracture-resistant they become. Regular squatting helps fight the natural bone loss that comes with age. If ignored, this loss can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, which often stays hidden until a break occurs. These fractures can be serious, leading to lasting pain, reduced movement, and even loss of independence in extreme cases. Number 2. Efficient calorie burn and heart health. Squats are a highly effective way to burn calories because they involve multiple major muscles and demand a high energy output. As you squat, muscles like the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core all activate. The more muscles involved, the more calories burned. The repetitive motion elevates your heart rate, speeds up breathing, and boosts your metabolism, making calorie burning even more efficient. Consistent movement like this not only helps with weight control, but also improves overall health. It supports blood sugar management, lowers the risk of conditions like diabetes and cardiovascular disease, and can even lead to better sleep. Staying active and burning energy consistently is key to maintaining a healthy weight and preventing fat buildup. Number 3. Improved muscular endurance. This is the ability of your muscles to perform over extended periods without giving out. When you do squats regularly, muscles like the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core are pushed to work harder and become more durable. With ongoing repetition, your muscles become more efficient at using oxygen, which helps maintain energy during the longer activities. Better endurance also lowers the risk of injury. Muscles that tire easily lose their ability to stabilize joints and control movements, making injuries more likely. So building endurance isn't just for athletes. It helps you power through daily tasks with less fatigue and more confidence. Number 4. Better joint health. During squats, your knees and hips are fully engaged, which boosts the flow of synovial fluid, a substance that naturally lubricates joints. This fluid plays a crucial role in reducing friction between bones and supporting smooth movement. As you squat down, your joints bend. As you rise, they straighten. This repeated motion stimulates and nourishes the cartilage, protecting joints and keeping them functional and pain-free over time. Cartilage is the smooth tissue that coats the ends of your bones, serving as a cushion that prevents them from rubbing directly against each other. Keeping this tissue healthy is vital to avoid pain and joint deterioration. As we age, it's common for synovial fluid levels to drop and cartilage to gradually wear out, which can lead to joint issues such as osteoarthritis, a major cause of chronic pain and reduced mobility in older adults. Incorporating squats into your daily routine can help slow this degeneration and support long-term joint function and overall quality of life. In 2014, a study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy led by Clan and colleagues examined the effects of squats on knee joint health. The researchers compared a group that practiced squats with another that remained sedentary. MRI scans revealed that those doing squats had thicker cartilage and better distributed synovial fluid than those who did not engage in resistance training. Number 5. Enhanced blood circulation. When you squat, your leg muscles contract and relax rhythmically, which aids in pushing blood back toward the heart. This motion mimics the action of a secondary heart, supporting the veins, especially in the lower limbs, in overcoming gravity to return blood efficiently. While arteries carry blood under pressure, veins rely on muscle movement to keep blood flowing. Improved circulation from squats doesn't just ensure better blood flow, it also helps prevent blood from pooling in the legs, a major contributor to varicose veins. These veins appear twisted and swollen and can cause pain or discomfort, and in serious cases lead to complex circulatory conditions. By squatting regularly, you help alleviate venous pressure and reduce the risk of such vascular issues. Poor circulation may result in leg swelling, a heavy feeling, fatigue, and increase the risk of complications like deep vein thrombosis, a condition involving blood clots in the veins. In terms of fitness, weak circulation also limits muscle repair and performance, as muscles receive less oxygen and nutrients when blood flow is restricted, causing earlier fatigue and slower recovery. Number 6. Better hormonal regulation. Squatting activates multiple major muscle groups at once, triggering the body to release important hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone, which support muscle development and repair. Doing squats regularly not only boosts the release of these hormones during training but also helps maintain a healthier hormonal profile long-term, an important factor in sustaining physical energy and muscle recovery. A well-balanced hormone system also aids in controlling weight, stabilizing mood, maintaining strong bones, and supporting heart health. A 2005 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology by Annan and colleagues confirmed that compound exercises like squats lead to a greater surge in testosterone and growth hormone compared to lighter, isolated movements. The study involved 2 groups of men. One group practiced compound movements like squats, while the other focused on isolated exercises. The compound group saw a significantly higher hormone boost, proving that full-body workouts are more effective at triggering the body's muscle-building responses. Number 7. Stronger core muscles. Squats are incredibly effective for building a solid core, which includes the abdominal muscles, lower back, and pelvic area. These muscles play a key role in maintaining balance and stabilizing the body during movement. As you begin a squat, while your glutes and thighs handle the lowering motion, your core engages to keep your spine aligned and prevent it from bending unnaturally. Throughout the squat movement, the core stays actively engaged to stabilize the spine and help maintain a neutral posture, avoiding excessive leaning forward or backward. With continued practice, this constant activation builds strength in the abdominal and lower back muscles, enhancing your ability to carry loads and maintain better balance. A strong core not only boosts your performance in workouts, but also supports your spine and makes daily activities easier and safer. A 2013 study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, led by Norwood and his team, used electromyography to assess core muscle engagement in various squat styles. The findings showed that both the abdominals and spinal erectors were highly activated during squats, regardless of the weight used, highlighting how effective squats are for developing core strength. Number 8. Enhanced mobility and flexibility. Squatting puts your hips, knees, and ankles through a broad range of motion. As you lower down, your hips and knees bend while your ankles shift to maintain balance. This movement challenges the surrounding muscles, like the hamstrings, calves, glutes, and quads, to stay flexible and engaged without compromising your posture. By consistently performing squats, these joints and muscles gradually gain the ability to move more freely and with control. This improved range of motion not only helps you perform deeper squats, but also makes everyday movements smoother and safer. In addition to supporting mobility and flexibility, regular squatting reduces stiffness and lowers your injury risk. Mobility refers to a joint's ability to move freely, while flexibility is about how well muscles stretch. Both are essential for pain-free, fluid motion. As we grow older, it's normal to lose some of this flexibility and mobility, which raises the risk of injuries and falls. Incorporating squats helps retain these functions, supporting autonomy and a high quality of life regardless of age. Number 9. Muscle mass development. Every time you squat, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers, a natural part of building strength known as microtrauma. With proper recovery and nutrition, the body repairs these fibers stronger and larger. Over time, this results in noticeable muscle growth, especially in your thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. Squats are a compound movement, meaning they target several muscle groups at once. This makes them extremely efficient for building mass, improving movement coordination, and enhancing total body function. The end result is not only increased strength and definition, but also better muscular resilience. In a 2010 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, McBride and his team showed that participants who consistently practiced squats experienced significantly more muscle growth in the glutes and quadriceps compared to those doing lower intensity exercises. Variations and practical tips. Exploring squat variations can take your training to the next level, keeping it exciting and effective. Options like sumo squats, jump squats, or single-leg pistol squats offer fresh challenges while improving balance and coordination. And here's a key reminder. Don't hesitate to modify these exercises to match your current fitness level. If a move feels too advanced, there are always simpler progressions. As your strength improves, gradually increase the challenge. This gradual progression helps prevent plateaus and keeps you improving. Most importantly, prioritize technique over repetition, count or weight. Focus on your posture, breathing, and overall movement control. The goal is long-term progress without risking injury. Now that you understand the wide-ranging benefits of daily squats, it's easy to see why this simple move is one of the most powerful exercises you can do. No need for expensive gear or crowded gyms. Using just your own body weight, you can dramatically improve your strength, health, and overall quality of life. By committing to just 40 squats a day, you'll be reinforcing your bones, enhancing blood flow, boosting muscular endurance, and supporting your joint health. You'll also trigger healthy hormone activity, correct your posture, build lean muscle, and maintain flexibility and mobility as you age. Most importantly, you'll be shaping a stronger, more capable body, ready to take on everyday tasks with confidence. So the next time you feel like only complex, time-consuming workouts bring results, remember, sometimes the simplest routines are the most effective. Start your squat habit today and experience the transformation for yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it to encourage others to care for their health with accessible and effective movements like the squat. Using only your body weight, you have the power to reshape your health, boost your strength, and improve your overall well-being. Just 40 squats a day may sound simple, but the impact is anything but. With every rep, you're doing more than just building muscle. You're laying the foundation for stronger bones, more efficient circulation, and enhanced muscular endurance. You're also supporting your joints, protecting your posture, and encouraging the release of essential hormones that help your body recover, grow, and stay energized. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats help you maintain mobility and flexibility, which are often the first things we start to lose as we age. Staying mobile means staying independent. It means being able to bend down to pick something up, climb stairs without discomfort, or play with your kids or grandkids without strain. Over time, this simple practice becomes a powerful tool for longevity, preserving your quality of life, keeping you active, and even improving your mental health through movement. The beauty of squats is their simplicity. No gym, no machines, no expensive equipment, just you, your body, and a few minutes of your day. Yet the payoff is massive. So if you've been waiting for the right time to take your health into your own hands, this is it. Don't underestimate what small daily actions can do over weeks, months, and years. Start with what you can manage. If 40 squats feels like too much at first, begin with 10 or 20 and build up over time. What matters most is consistency, not perfection. Each day you show up, you're investing in a stronger, more functional body, one that's equipped to meet life's demands with energy and resilience. And if this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. You never know who might need the reminder that powerful change can begin with something as simple as a squat. Let's spread the word about accessible, effective, and life-changing movement, one squat at a time.